Hey, in this video, I will show you how to create a new private story on Snapchat. I've updated this video for 2021 and this method works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever while you're watching this video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know that. So what you want to do is obviously go on Snapchat, and I'll show you what to do if you don't have the option. But first, let me show you how to do it natively. All we gotta do is go over, if you are here in your camera, just click on your profile picture. From there, you just want to click on a new story. It's this button right here next to stories. Click on new story and you have two options. Pick your story type. You have new private story or new custom story. You want to click on the first option, new private story, and here you can select how many people will be in it. So choose who can view your private story. Only you will be able to add to this story and invite friends. So this is you. One of them is you. You want to invite yourself, obviously, but you can also invite some friends. For example, I can add, I don't really have any friends to this account, it's a test account, but yeah, add as many people as you want. You can click on create story, Dr. Nikki's private story, or whatever you want to call it. And now you have it here, and it says the people that you've invited. It basically shows them right below that. So I'm going to click on add to Dr. Nikki's private story. Just do it, send, and here it is. And now you can it says it has a lock next to it because it's a private story. But if you don't have this option, here is what you can do. You can actually go on the App Store, the Google Play Store, and search for Snapchat. Click on search here, Snapchat, and make sure you have no update option next to Snapchat. It just says open. If you have an update option, make sure you update it because chances are the update isn't pushed yet to your country. Another thing you can do is actually go over to your settings, go to general, or on an Android device it would be apps. Click on iPhone storage for an iPhone, or just apps. Now you gotta find Snapchat. Oops, that's TikTok, Snapchat, and offload the app or clear the cache on an Android device. So all of this should help you get it if you don't have it yet. And if this video helped you out, like it, because it really helps me out, and we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single day for your value. I want to see you in one of the next videos, and comment down below if you have any questions while you were watching the video. I'll try to get back to as many comments as I can. See you next one. Bye.